In this video, I will show you how to change the billing on your Roblox account. So how do you do this? First, you need to go into roblox.com. Search for it, roblox.com. Once you're here, you're gonna need to log into your account. I already did that. Then you should see a little settings button up in the top right corner. Click on it. Go to settings. In settings, you should see something that says payment method. If you click on it, you will have your saved payment methods right here. I don't have one right now, but then you can click add, and then you can add your credit card. It's that simple. If you have some saved in here already, they should pop up here and you can remove them, or you can edit them and change them to a new one. It's super simple, guys. You just go into roblox.com, press settings, go into settings, find payment methods, and then you can add your payment method.